Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Google Assistant option into your TCL Tab 10L. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Now, in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose Settings. Here go into Google Assistant option. And in this menu scroll down and find General option here. And last one, tap here on the switcher to activate your Google Assistant. And confirm operation, tapping turn on one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.